Hey girls, welcome to your 15-minute core Pilates workout. Let's get started. We're gonna lay on our backs and get into a little warm up here. So from here, just lay on back. Arms are gonna come straight up towards the ceiling. And then from here, palms are facing in. I just want you to inhale, reach the arms up, kind of lift those shoulders off of the mat, and then exhale, plug them back down. Inhale, reach, exhale, plug it back down. Reach, and down. Inhale and down. One more. Now single arm, you're gonna reach one up and down, other side up and down. So just alternating side to side here, lengthening up, up, plugging that shoulder back down, two more on each side. Just getting those shoulders stacked up in alignment. Last one. Now float those arms down. Palms are gonna face up towards the sky here, getting into a little bit of an ab curl here. So feet are flat on the floor, shoulders plug down your back, open up through the chest before we even begin. And then from here, nice neutral spine. You're gonna exhale, float the head up as you reach those arms forward. Inhale, lower back down. Exhale, float up. Inhale, back down. Maintaining that neutral spine the whole time, making sure that pelvis stays steady. Lengthening through the crown of the head, keeping the neck nice and long. Three more like this. We're gonna add on a little bit. Two. Last one. Now you're gonna lift it right back up and lift one leg up. So you lift one leg and down. Lift up the upper body and the other leg. And down. Now, we want to maintain that stability through the pelvis as we lift that leg up. That's the challenge here. If your neck is getting tired, you can always do hands behind your head for a little extra assistance. One more on each side. Nice, and then bring it down. Now, extend those legs out long, reach those arms up towards the sky. Palms can face in or towards those feet. And then from here, take an inhale, flatten the low back. Exhale, roll all the way up, reach towards those toes. Get those abs pulling in, finding that nice C curve. Inhale, stack the spine. Exhale, melt it down nice and slow. These always test those abs to make sure that we're really using those abs, because if we are cheating at all, even the tiniest bit, we're gonna need to kind of hoist ourselves up. So if you feel like you have to kind of hoist yourself up or jump up into it or kind of plop down, we really need to engage the core just a little bit more, especially for that sticky spot kind of right at our waistbands. Exhale through that sticky spot. Keep rounding forward, lengthen through the crown of the head. Enjoy a little stretch there. Stack your spine up tall and then scoop and roll it back. We're gonna go two more just like this and then stay at the top on that last one. Again, exhale through that sticky spot right at the waistband of your pants. Lengthen it forward, shoulders away from those ears. Stack it tall, roll it back. Good, one more. This time we're gonna stay at the top here. Strong exhale over that sticky spot. Reach it forward. Now stack your spine up nice and tall. Now from here, similar, but we're gonna do it with bent knees. From here, lengthening through the crown of the head, you scoop and roll it back halfway this time, just to the waistline, and right back up. I like to exhale down, inhale at the bottom, and then exhale back up. So you're kind of inhaling and holding. Exhale as you move through that movement. Lengthening up through the spine. Lengthening out through the crown of the head. Roll it down, hold it right here. Now, holding it here, you're gonna lift one leg up and then switch, just like we did with our ab curls. Keep scooping that belly in a little bit deeper. Use those low abs to lift the leg up. Trying not to move that upper body. Lengthen the neck, plug the shoulders back in, one more each side. Now lift that one leg up, other leg comes up, hold it. Drop one toe down, switch, and switch. So we're in a little modified teaser here, holding this position. If you need a little assistance, you can always put hands behind the legs, otherwise hold it out in front. Good job, one more on each side. Hold it right here, and then slowly roll everything down. Woo. Oh my gosh, core is on fire already. Okay, turn over onto your side. We're gonna do a little side plank here. We are going to do it modified if you need to. If you feel super strong today, feel free to do this with the leg completely out straight, but it's a little hard getting all the way from the mat up. So hip is gonna start down, arm is gonna start long by the hip, that top arm. We're gonna go into a little mermaid side bend. So from here, you're gonna lift up through that bottom side oblique, reach the arm overhead, and get a little stretch. So take an inhale, exhale, lift and reach. Inhale down, exhale, lift and reach. Little side bend. Nice job, ladies. Feel that pinch in that bottom waistline. Try not to let too much weight go down onto the mat. Nice job, ladies. 3 more. 2 more. Stay strong in that shoulder. Last one. And down. So little mermaids, we're gonna come through the center here. We're gonna go into a little dolphins. We got a little swim, sea, ocean series coming up here. So we're gonna go into little dolphin push-ups. You're gonna find a plank on the elbows right here. So scoop the belly up, hold it right here. Now, from here, you're gonna shift it back, find your dolphin pose, and forward. Shift it back and forward. Scoop the belly to lift. Find that plank each and every time. Nice and beautiful. Staying strong through the upper body. 4. Squeeze for 3. 2. Last one. And down. Whew. All right, turn it on over. Other side for those mermaids. Again, we're modified here, knees down on that bottom side. If you want to, feel free to find that full side plank on the elbow. Here we go. We're gonna lift it up in 3, 2, 1. We lift up and reach and down. We have 10 right here. Lift. Again, try not to put too much weight down on that hip. We lift, staying strong. Lift, finding that beautiful side bend. 4, lifting that hip up for 3, 2, come on, last one. And down. Whew. Bring it through the center. All right, swimming here. Arms are gonna extend out long in front of us, legs long behind us. We're gonna lift the right arm and left leg up, and then switch. Neck long. And then we're gonna start to speed it up when we're ready, maintaining that stability. Squeeze those abs, squeeze those glutes, shoulders plugged in, lengthen out. 3 more deep breaths. 2. 1 more breath. And down. Last one here, a little breaststroke swimming. All right, so from here, legs can lift or they can stay down, whatever feels comfortable on your back here. You're gonna lift up, circle the arms back, reach forward as you lower, lift and circle around. So as you circle the arms, lift a little higher. As you reach forward, a little lower. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades behind you. Really tightening up the low back. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And down. Whew, let's find a little child's pose. Stretch it out. We are almost done. We have our 5 series. We are gonna zip through our 5 series today and try to go no rest and get right through it. All right, lay on your back, One more time. Starting with our scissors. We're going scissors, leg lowers, into double leg stretch, single leg stretch, into crisscross. So you know it's coming. Again, we're going through it, no rest. All right, so legs are gonna come up to the sky, curl up into your ab curl. You're gonna grab behind the right leg, thigh, calf, or ankle is fine. A little pulse, pulse, switch. Pulse, pulse, switch. 2. One more each side. Both legs up, hands behind the head. Lower those legs and lift. We just have 10 of each of these. You can do it neck long. If you need a neck break, lower the head. The head is going to be up for the rest of these. 4. Exhale to lift for 3. 2. 1. Now bend the knees, hug those knees in with those arms. Extend the arms, extend the legs, circle around. Reach, circle. Reach, circle. Staying lifted through the upper body. Staying steady through those hips. 4. 3 more. Lengthen, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Hold it in, hug the right knee and extend the left leg. Switch, switch. 10 on each side for this one. Lengthen those legs out, nice long spine. Almost there. We get a little support for the head on our crisscross. 2, 1, 1. Hands behind the head. Continue the legs and twist towards the legs. Almost done. Last one here, ladies. You can do it. Try not to go too fast. Steady those hips. Scoop the belly in. Belly deeper for 4. For 3. 2 more. 1 more each side. Come on. And down. Whew. Amazing job, ladies. That 5 series is killer to finish off with, right? Let's roll it over onto our belly. Take a little Cobra stretch. Stretch out those abs. Deep breaths here. Nice job, ladies. Thank you for showing up today. These Pilates routines are quick and efficient. So get that work in. We don't have to work forever. We just have to be efficient. I'll see you in the next workout and have a great day.